Sleep and Death Part 1. Pluto has a variety of other names as other gods, spirits, and a multitude of associated symbols. The name Pluto is Latin for Hades. Hades, or Adonis, were other names for the same god of the underworld. Adonis reminds us of the Hebrew name for God, Adonai. Ad, however, beyond meaning Lord of the Underworld, was also a reference to a butterfly. Thanatos, the Greek god of death, was often shown with butterflies, representing the chrysalis through which a caterpillar metamorphosizes into a butterfly. Even more fascinating is the Greek word of origin chrysos, meaning gold. Gold is the color of many pupae during their metamorphosis. The symbolism highlights the nature of the hidden mystery of the Christos, Christ. He is an allegorical figure of alchemical transformation from one leaden profane to a purified and golden divine soul. Pluton, the golden child born in the underworld, is the equivalent of the infinite Christ, as we will explore further in the later chapters. Pluto, as well as Pluton, is often associated with wealth and abundance. He is associated with precious gems, metals, agricultural harvest, fruits, and herbs of all kinds. His home being in the underworld, he has stored up his wealth deep within the earth. Thanks for watching. Go to my project page at kundaliniquicksilver.com to find out how you can get this book and the tarot deck as a free gift. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram, Quicksilver Astrology. Thanks.